Hello, kids! Today, we are going to learn simple present and simple past. Let's begin our lesson. The simple present form of the verb is used to describe actions taking place in the present time. It can also be used to convey general statements. For example, ice melts at 0 degrees C. State a fact. I go to the park every evening. Communicate about routines and habits. I like mangoes. Talk about things that are true now but could change in the future. Let's solve. Fill in the blanks using the correct simple present tense of the verbs. I dash to the football field every evening. I walk to the football field every evening. Hyder dash guitar very well. Hyder plays guitar very well. The people in the circus dash balls for earning a living. The people in the circus juggle balls for earning a living. Apple dash on trees. Apple grows on trees. Sugar water dash slowly. Sugar water boils slowly. Dolphins dash in the oceans. Dolphins swim in the oceans. Now let's identify what the present simple form has been used to convey: fact, habit, or true now on the basis of their use. My pet dog runs very fast. Fact. Nandini makes very nice sushi. True now. I go for a body checkup every 6 months. Habit. My friend lives next to our house. True now. The teacher teaches the class every day. Habit. 366 days make a leap year. Fact. I disagree with you. True now. My aunt owns this showroom. True now. Now let's learn about the simple past. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions or events that happened in the past. It tells us something that is already over. For example, Mom cooked us food in the morning. Discuss actions that has already happened. We played in our room last night. Talk about time periods that began and ended in the past. I played basketball at the Nationals. Talk about previous habits. Complete the sentences using the correct simple past tense of the verbs. Charan dash to his school yesterday. Charan went to his school yesterday. Raja dash for his brother everywhere. Raja looked for his brother everywhere. 5 people dash around the table. 5 people sat around the table. I dash my dinner last night. I ate my dinner last night. I dash my elder brother after several months. I met my elder brother after several months. Our relatives dash us to the railway station. Our relatives accompanied us to the railway station. I remember this dress. It dashed me a lot. It cost me a lot. Shalini dashed time with her friend in the playground. Shalini spent time with her friend in the playground. Let's rewrite these sentences in the simple past tense. The puppy looks at his food. The puppy looked at his food. The players in the field are tired. The players in the field were tired. Rajat admires Charan's stone collection. Rajat admired Charan's stone collection. Hyder hopes to win the tournament. Hyder hoped to win the tournament. My father is working for the government. My father was working for the government. My sister wants a present for her birthday. My sister wanted a present for her birthday. The principal speaks to the student's family. The principal spoke to the student's family. Stephen has 3 sketchbooks. Stephen had 3 sketchbooks. Mother teaches her son how to tie a bow. Mother taught her son how to tie a bow. Great job, kids! Today we learned about the simple present and simple past tenses. See you in the next class. Bye-bye!